everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm going to be giving an update on my weight loss. I'm also going to be talking about my workout routine, and I'm also going to be talking about my new diet, the 800 calorie diet by Dr. Mosley. And also I'm going to be telling you about my new exciting trip to Tulum. So guys, stay tuned and make sure you watch through the end of the video, because that's where I'll be giving you all the info about my trip and everything that I'll be doing. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, as you saw in the clips, I did not lose any scale weight, but I did lose inches on my body. As you guys saw, I'm looking slender. I feel I'm looking slender. I feel like things are fitting me a bit better. I was wearing an XL and now I'm fitting into an L comfortably. Like, you know, when you know how your clothes fit you, they're fitting different, and I feel like it's very visible as well. If you see, I'm actually slender. I've lost some love handles over here, and also my stomach is flat. I did have some coffee in the morning, but I do feel like there is progress there, guys. I'm excited with what I'm doing. So just to give you to keep you up to speed with what I've been doing, I've been eating salads, and also I've been walking every day starting from the 1st of June. I walk every day in the morning. I do about 2 miles to 2 or over 2 miles, and I try to burn 500 calories a day. And also I've also incorporated bike riding, because my family and I go bike riding, and you saw the clip with me riding and all that stuff, so that when I ride I don't walk normally, but I do meet up my calories. I did not meet some of the 500 calories every day, but I did work out every day. I made sure I made a workout. I put a workout in the morning. So guys, I'm excited. The walking is really working. I see the inches falling off. I'll continue walking as well. So guys, yes, on the scale I didn't lose as much weight. I didn't lose much weight on the scale, but I have an explanation for that. Last week so my husband had his team over here. Under his team he has about 15 people working for him, and they came over. They were meeting me for the first time, so I cooked Zambian food. That's why I'm wearing this. I'm Zambian by birth, and I was raised in Zambia until I was 22, because I met my husband when I was 22. 21. I met my husband when I was 20, and I moved to the States when I was 22. So I was introducing them to my cultures when they were also meeting me for the first time. So I made Zambian food. I have a clip over here of me making like the beans and the kapenta, but guys, I haven't done a big function in a long time. So 15 people plus me and my husband, that's a lot of people. And if you're cooking like shima, which is our African food, and all the other stuff, it's a lot of work. And I had to keep the house clean and all that stuff, because you can't bring people in a house when your house is dirty. Everything had to be in order. So guys, it was just a lot. So I was stressed that week. And also we just came from Legoland yesterday. My son is turning 10, who's my oldest, so we had to go to Legoland, and of course, you know, we had to enjoy, we had to eat, but we did have fun. You know, we did slides, we went to Legoland, and we went to the water park, and we went to the water park, we played, we were swimming, we were sliding on high slides. Of course I screamed. I was the loudest screamer there, but that's okay. And my husband got to do all the activities with us as well, and it was also Father's Day weekend, so it kind of worked out for us. But yeah guys, we had fun, and we just got back. I got on the scale. I want this channel to be authentic. I want to show you real life results, because if you have kids and you are a mom, I'm a stay-at-home mom at the moment, and guys, it's a lot. It's a lot taking care of people. You have to cook. I cook in our house. I cook about 98, 99, maybe 97% of the time I cook. We eat home cooked food and stuff like that. So it's a lot. You have to plan meals and all that stuff, and then when you have to celebrate your kids, you have to be involved. So it is hard to try and diet, but so this is like for the everyday woman who's struggling. you know, to lose weight. So guys, come on this journey with me, and I'll be authentic. I'll show you my ups and my ups and my lows, and you see when I fail, I'll come on camera and show you exactly what happened, just like I'm doing right now. So not to mumble a lot, guys, but so that's what happened. So that's why the scale is showing that, but I have seen inches falling off my body, which I'm excited about that. And also guys, I did write a script today so that I can remember, because sometimes I mumble. Okay, next thing I'm going to be doing is my new diet. I'm going to be doing the fast 800 calorie diet by Dr. Mosley, and it's an amazing diet. I've been researching it for the last 2 weeks, and I know some of you guys in the comment will be like, oh Royce, or is this healthy or stuff like that. It is healthy. So the program is 12 weeks, 2 to 12 weeks. So you eat an 800 calorie diet for 12 until you get to a certain weight, and then you transition to like phase 2, and phase 2 is where you eat probably like 120 and stuff like that, and then until you get your desired weight, and then you go to the maintenance stage. And also guys, I believe that it's healthy because I've been to a weight loss clinic in Ohio, and I paid, and I had lost, I remember the first 2 weeks I lost 14 pounds, and they put me on an 800 calorie diet, and it was a high protein and low carbs. The first week they actually keep you, the first 2 weeks they keep you on a 500 calorie diet, where they tell you to just eat like turkey daily, turkey, and also like protein shakes and stuff like that. And then after that, then they after 2 weeks you go up to 800. So this is healthy, guys. I know some of you might be worried thinking that the food is not enough. It's actually enough, because you know our bodies have enough food already stored in, and that's what we're trying to get rid of. Another thing, guys, is why I'm taking these extreme measures. They're not extreme because it is healthy, and there's a book written by a doctor, and I can attest to that, I went to the clinic, the MediWeight clinic, and they will tell you that if you guys want to check it out as well. And the other reason is, guys, just to piggyback, when I was at Legoland, guys, I struggled. Do you know what struggle means? Oh my God. I was breathing, I was dying. I was the last person in line. I would climb stairs, people were just going up, they were passing me by. My family kept on waiting for me because my heart couldn't keep up, and I was just so tired. When we were walking, I was dragging like everybody. I was the last one in the line when we were going somewhere. I needed to rest. So this is not healthy. You know, not everybody is meant to be thick. I was never meant to be thick. I should be slender. I've always been slender all my life, but after the babies, the weight came on. But it needs to go, because this is not a healthy way to live. I have 2 boys who are very active. They love extreme sports and stuff like that. And I'm also adventurous at heart. I love to travel. I love to try new things. I'm a thrill seeker as well, and I want that fun side of me to come back than being all cooped up and being cautious and stuff like that. And I also have medical health. I have health reasons why I need to lose weight. So guys, that was it. So that's all, guys. That's going to be my new program. And what I'm going to, when it comes to my workout for the new program, is I'm still going to continue working every morning. I'll do about 2 miles. I usually manage to do 2 miles. And then I'm going to also include Chloe Ting. If you guys know Chloe Ting, she's over here or somewhere here. She has this program called the 2 weeks ab workout, and that's what I'll be doing because I need to reduce this tummy. And I'll be doing that. I'll show you guys, I'll show you some clips while I'm working out. I'll try and keep a diary of that, and then after that 2 weeks I'll show you if it actually works or not. So what I'll be eating on the 800 calorie, on the fast 800 calorie diet, is I'm going to be eating the same stuff I was eating before. It's over here. So I'm going to insert a clip. You guys know how I make this salad. I'm going to stick with this salad because it's filling and it's a lot. And also the egg, I'll be having my scrambled eggs with bacon and stuff like that. I'll try to keep it as low. They want you to have more protein than you will have, more protein than just, you know, fat. So I'm going to have more protein on this program, more protein, and then I'll have the eggs in the morning. So what I'll have on this program is I'm going to have 2 eggs or 3 eggs in the morning, and then I'm also going to have a shake, a protein shake, and then I'm going to have a big salad at dinner. I'm going to have a big salad for dinner, and this is the salad that I'll have on my program. And then as you can see, I'm also including how many calories they are, so that it mounts up to 800 calories. That's the way I'm going to be. I'm going to keep this program simple and not complicated, because I do not like complicated stuff. When it's complicated, I quit. So I'm going to make it as easy as I can. And so this is what I'll be doing, guys. And lastly, and this is what I'll be doing on this program, guys. So I'm also going on a trip next week, the first week of July. I'm going on a trip to Tulum. I'm excited. I'm scared a little with all the killings and the kidnappings happening in Mexico, but thank God Tulum, it's not affecting Tulum, so that's good. So I'm going there with one of my close friends, and I don't know if you guys want me to vlog the trip. And I also bought some clothes for the trip. If you guys want to see what I'm going to wear on vacation and stuff like that, let me know. This is a girls trip and I'm excited. I do need a break. You know, you have, as a mom and as a wife, you need to make time for yourself. You know, as women, we always cater to everybody's needs. We're always making sure our husbands are okay, our kids are fed and they're okay and they're healthy, but we always put ourselves last. So guys, I'm taking this trip with my friend, you know, tagging along for our birthday trip so that we can relax and enjoy ourselves. You know, just be around being around a girl chat, eat and stuff like that. Although I'm still on my program, I'll be mindful of what I eat. But for the next 2 weeks starting today is Juneteenth. Today is June 19th, and happy Juneteenth to everyone out there. And so I'll start today until before my trip, which will be like exactly 14 days. So I will show you my results. I'll do a video before I leave so that you guys can see how much I've lost as well. I'll give you an update for week 1 and week 2. So guys, I'm excited. I don't know. I'm excited to go out. I want to also see how this works out. And yeah guys, I'm excited. And thank you so very much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. And also guys, to my old subscribers, thank you for all your support, and I appreciate you guys coming in every time when I put a video out. And also please like these videos, guys, and comment so that I know what you guys prefer and what you like, and if I'm doing things okay and stuff like that. And if you guys need some change up, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would like, and I'll put them out there. So guys, thank you so very much for watching again. Bye bye.